so we're set for Road Atlanta.
You want your helmet still?
Yeah, I got it. It's on. And normally we're in the paddock. We're usually on the other side of the track where that truck is, over there. So in order to get there, it's like really complicated. You got to go over that, up that hill, and it's like a maze back there.
Should this be tighter, or just it's not going to be because it's too loose?
Yeah, you can tighten it up if you can, as much as you can. Just that the helmet's very old, so technically it's really not a legal helmet anymore. It's expired.
Sorry.
But
Oh well.
hopefully you won't need it. You won't need it.
I certainly hope not.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Yeah, this ain't gonna be good. He wants to see couple times in third. I'm like,
Oh, I didn't, but
yeah, I can feel it. It's
Yeah,
fighting me.
Oh, I wouldn't have even asked you to go 5 laps.
I want to give you a feel for it. I mean, if it was working right, I could have pushed a little harder, you know, but I had to be like a little slow. So,
well, that's the fastest I've ever been in a car.
Really?
Regardless. So, would you say you hit 130?
we been 130. Yep. Last time I was here, when the car was running right, I was doing 143. But it's not quite right, so I couldn't really hammer too hard.
Yeah, no, I didn't want you to hurt your car for my sake. That was freaking awesome, man. I loved it. And I feel, I got a few little butterflies, but I don't feel nauseous or anything.
That's good. That's
Janet
good.
says I have an iron gut.
Yeah.
Now, if it was her, she never even would have made it through 1 lap.
She'd be screaming, right? She'd be screaming, yeah.
Well, no, she gets sick really. Her stomach's her weak point.
Yep. Yeah, it's funny, so you never know with people, like, let me just open the door so it's not so hot. My mom's brother, my uncle, he's like a really adventurous guy, so I took him out, I was driving really hard, he got sick in like 2 laps. And I was really shocked, I was like, I thought for sure like roller coasters wouldn't bother him. But, yeah, he said like roller coasters or whatever, you can't take it.
Oh, no, see, I like roller coasters, but I can't take a large spin.
That's the thing with me too, like I can't take spinning around. Because I never really get car sick on the track, it's just the spinning stuff on it.
Well, car sickness, usually, it's not the driver, it's usually the passenger.
Usually the passenger.
Because it's the motion without the
control, right? Because you can't brace yourself. Yeah. So to get that out, you just kind of pull. Yeah, there you go.
Got it?
Yep. And then you pull it out. Awesome. So, what impressed you the most? You think was it the speed or the pull or the brakes? What do you think?
I just loved it. I loved the way it went, like the tight S turns.
Yes.
You know,
the car. Yeah. You notice when I'm shifting too, like when I'm braking, I'm also downshifting at the same time I'm braking. You notice that?
I didn't really catch it. I was just like focused on the track.
Yeah. What they call that is heel and toe, because what happens is I'm braking with my ball of the foot on the brake like it is now, but then when I got to go from 4th to 3rd, as I'm braking, I put the clutch in and I rotate my heel and I flip the throttle to make it match. So when I go to 3rd, when I let the clutch out, it's the revs match.
Now, did you only get up to 4th on that back stretch?
Yes, because all I have is 4 gears. So I was the back stretch. I was in 4th.
That's the only place where you did.
Right. I mean, technically on this front straight, I could have used it, but since it doesn't want to shift, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to leave it in 3rd. I'll just wind it out in 3rd, and just not. The less shifting I have to do, the better.
Right.
It's basically 3rd and 2nd gear. You know, I was in 2nd a couple of times with that really steep hill. So I got to put a shock on the wheels because we're on a hill here. The car wants to roll. But yeah, I mean, it's not the shifter because this linkage and everything is all fixed. I think it's the clutch that's not. See, the pedal looks funky too. I think either the cable's stretched. Something's not right with the clutch. It's not even though I'm pushing it, it's not like disengaging. So hopefully it's just the cable. It's not.
You know, I had an old a 1976 Toyota Celica 5-speed, which I loved that car. It was super peppy and everything. But Toyotas, I guess, at least that vintage, they used to rust to death.
Yeah.
And at one point, like I pulled up the parking brake and it just like pulled the whole section of the floor out. And then a friend of mine helped me fix it with like, we had giant flat washers to hold it in place, but it was rusted. There was a hole down it. You could see the drive shaft spinning. Okay, should I get out?
Yeah, I'll shut the car off. I got it with the turbo. Oh, to get out, you pull on this. Now it feels like flimsy, like it's gonna break, but just pull nice and easy, and it'll open. There you go. And see, one thing on this car that's kind of flimsy is the door handles, but everything else in the car is like a tank. It's like these old 911s were built. They were hand built. This car was hand built by men. It wasn't like hardly any machines working on it.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
You always get better craftsmanship that way because people put pride in their work.
Oh yeah, and in Germany, you know, the way they are in Germany, their, you know, work ethic is fantastic.
I'll just leave this here then?
Yep.